Hi everyone. Today we will draw this 2D drawing in Autocad and we will do the dimensioning also. So let's start. This is a rectangle here. We have to select a rectangle, give a base point here, and this is 100 by 100. Put add the rate 100 into 100 and this rectangle is created here. And we have to create a line on the midpoint. You can select the object snap from here, this point, select endpoint, midpoint. I already selected here and ortho from this point. This click here ortho on and off. We will export the rectangle here. Now we have to do offset. This is 50 and this is 40. We have to offset 10. Type O. Press 10 here. And now here is it 10 into 45 chamfer. We have to type CHA for chamfer and give here distance 10, 10. This chamfer is created now. And here we have 10, 10 offset. You have to offset and make that direction, then offset will be go on that side. So this is 20 from the center. Midpoint here. We have to offset 20 here. And here we have to create a circle with a radius and give 10 radius. We will trim this one. Here is 4 into 6 radius. We have to select circle diameter and give diameter is 6. Not required. So now we have to give radius 5. Type F, fillet, is a radius type R and give radius 5. We will mirror this one. Yes, we will mirror this. And we will get this one. So we will mirror now this half portion here. And this one along this side. Trim this one. Now we have to offset 10 and offset 20 from that point. Trim these extra lines. And this diameter is also 6. We have to fill it. Radius 5 is there. And from offset 30 and offset 30, we have to create a circle of diameter 10. We need the extra lines here. And now we have to offset 30 and offset 30 here. And we have to type a radius 10 here. And now we have to offset 10. Radius 10. So we will trim this one. We will trim this one. Now we have to mirror this circle from this point to this point. No, it is not mirror, it is 20 from the top and offset 30 from the center. This is circle diameter 10. We will delete this extra. Now we have to add center lines here. You see here, this center lines here. You have to click here, click on others, click on load, and you select a center line from here. You can select any line as per your own requirement. So select one line, type CH, and center line here. You see the center line is not looking properly. You can change the scale here. Right now scale is 1. You can make it 3, make it 5.5. You can see now it's okay. 0.3, yes. Now click on match properties, select this line and make it this one. We will break the line. So our 2D drawing is completed. Now we have to do a dimensioning. You have to type D for dimension style here. Click on modify, and here you can change the color of your dimensioning line here. I will give this yellow, and this extension line I will give CN, and this is offset from region I will give 1. Click on symbol, you can select the arrow. There is close field, architectural, open. So I choose close field here. You can change the height here, arrow. I give maybe 10 here. Then text, you can change the text color to green, and height I will give 10. And here is the, you can make the text on above, outside or JS. I want above, or I want center. Now you see here it is center now. In this way you can change here extension 1, and here is text alignment horizontal align, but we prefer ISO. Click on primary unit and make it 0 period. Okay, set current. Okay, so let's start doing dimensioning. Click here, it's too big, so change dimension, modify, make it 5, and arrow height is also 5. Still big here, 3.5. Or you can adjust the dimensioning as per your drawing. So here, this is 50, 50, this is 40, this is 20, click on here, this is 10, enter, 30, 30, 30, 20, 10. We will give radius here. We will give diameter. We have to write here. Modify, you can change here align with dimension. Type edit, and you write here x into 45 percentage C, percentage D for degree. And here we have to type D again, modify, and we want text above. Now it is looking pretty. So we done all the dimensioning here. This for this 2D drawing. In this way, you can draw a drawing in AutoCAD and do the dimensioning. Hope you understand how to draw a line and drawing in AutoCAD. If you have any comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching.